Hello friends, today we are going to learn about some important formulas like subtotal, SUMIF, SUMIF, and I'm going to share my screen with you where I will show you how to use all these Excel formulas. So here you can see my screen in which some data is available here, like in column A it is month, then store SKU, then in column D it is given sales, and then column E it is given units. And here in this you can see it is given here store, and we need to calculate sum of all total units which are having a store and sum of all total sales which are having a store 1000, and then similarly for SKU which are having E0032M we need to calculate total units and total sales. So let's start with here we will use this formula subtotal SUMIFs and SUMIF. We will learn about all these formulas how we need to apply here. So here in this, generally if we need to take the sum of all these values in column D, we generally apply some formula. But if we apply some formula with taking sum of all these and close the bracket, then you can see the value it will remain fixed. If I filter it down and want to take the sum of only which are having store 1000, then the value it will not get changed. So to get my value of all the visible cell only, I have to use SUMIF formula, subtotal formula. So for using subtotal formula, you need to, if you need to take the sum, then here you can see it is shown here 109, it is for the sum. So just use 109 and then press Ctrl Shift down. It will take you to right just to the bottom in one click of a button, and then close the bracket. So here you can see it is giving the sum 2917315 of all the cells. If now I filter it and want to take the sum of all values which are having store 1000, then you can see it is giving value 4,72,000. Similarly, if I select more cells, then you can see my value will get changed. So this is how we need to apply subtotal formula. So let's come to the standard Excel sheet. I remove the filter and I remove the filter which I have applied and selecting all. Then here you can see if I have to take the sum of all total units which are having a store. So I can calculate it by using SUMIFs or SUMIF formula. So here we will calculate it by using SUMIF. So for getting my outcome by using SUMIFs, you see what is it is asking for inside the formula bar, inside the function. So here it is asking for the sum range. So where is my sum range? My sum range is here, total units. Just press Ctrl Shift down, it will take you right to the bottom. And then let's fix my range. So for fixing my range, press F, function F4. And then let's come to next, it is asking for the criteria range. So this is my criteria range, store. Control Shift down and let's fix my range by pressing function F4. And then where is my criteria? My criteria, it is in G3 cell. So let's take it to the G3 and let's fix the column by pressing F4 two times. So now my column has got fixed, it will not get changed. And then let's close the bracket. So here I think it is giving some error here. So why it is giving error? G3. So let's Here my range is not correct. That is this is why my range is B3 to B32. It should be 272. So let's correct it. My criteria range, it is here from this to control shift down. Let's close the bracket. Control shift down. Let's fix the cells. Now it is okay. And then so I think it is now, it is giving value 16871. So you can check it also here by filtering my all stores which are having 1000. If the answer is coming correct or not. Here it is 472. This is asking for a total units na. So just copy this formula and then press here, paste it here. So it is giving it 16871. So my answer is correct here. So this is how we can get our outcome by using the SUMIFS formula. Similarly, you can do here also. Control C and just control paste, and here I have to just change my sum range. So here my sum range will be total sales. It is in my D column. So just control shift down and then close the, let's fix my range, and then criteria range is my same, and criteria it is same 1000. Let's close the bracket. So here you can see my answer is coming 472. So you can cross check it. So if I use 472, so it is giving the right answer here. So everything is perfect. So let's now go to the next thing. Now we have used subtotal and SUMIFs. I can get my outcome also by using SUMIF also. So let's use it and see how we need to apply this formula. So if SUMIF I am using it, so it is, what is it? It is asking for, it is first it is asking for the range. So where is my range? So my range is here. So for selecting the complete range, just press Control Shift down. It will select the complete range. Then press Shift F4 to fix my range. And then it is asking for the criteria. So my criteria, it is in this one, G5 cell. And then I have to take sum range. So sum range is where total units. So this is my sum range from G3 to Control Shift down to the bottom. And let's fix my range here. So I'm pressing F4 and then close the bracket. So this G5, this 5 I need to also fix it. So by pressing F4, then both G row and column has got fixed here. So I need to fix only column only, not row. Just press F4, function F4 once again. Now it is okay. So if I have to now calculate total sales, so let's use this, copy this formula and paste here. And here what I have to do, I have to change only my sum range. My sum range here will become D column. So D column, just Control Shift down from top to bottom and close the bracket, and here I will get my total sales which are having value E0032. If I change it to, let us say 28, you can see my answer has got changed. Similarly in a store also, if I change it to 1050, so let's see, my answer has got changed. So this is how we can use all these important formulas, subtotal, SUMIFs and SUMIF. So thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned to get more of the learning in our next Excel class, Master Excel class. And please stay tuned to get more of the learning in our next Excel Master class.